It is here. Apple Music's now available on the Echoes. I am excited about this one, and I'm going to show you how it works. Hi, my name is Craig. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, I do appreciate it. If you'd like to learn more about the Echoes, check out the description. I'll put links in there. Please use those links. They definitely help the channel out. This is week number 50 of my 52-week Echo video series. Thank you if you've watched some of the others. Also, I've changed the name of my device to Computer, so hopefully I don't trigger your device at home. This weekend, Apple Music became available for the Echoes. And I'm super excited about this one. I think this is going to make these devices that much more useful for people. I think a lot of Apple fans are going to want to use Echoes now. I never wanted to sign up for Amazon Music. I didn't want Spotify. I didn't want Pandora, iHeartRadio, or any of those others. I used Amazon Music and the free music that was included with Prime to have stations in the house or to just kind of background music, but I missed being able to call up the playlist that I made with Apple Music. We are an Apple family, so it's great to see this working. You are going to have an Apple Music membership. You'll need to download the skill, log into your account, and then it'll work. It'll work as your default music if you set it up that way. There's no weird phrasing to access your stuff. You could use multi-room speaker groups and be able to play throughout the house. You could bring up your playlist. You could call up artists or songs that you want. You can even bring up the stations that are available there. And you can set alarms waking up to your Apple Music. So this is really good stuff. Now there are a couple limitations. You cannot add music to your playlist. I haven't seen a way of being able to play music from multiple family members. It seems you only get access to the primary account holder's music. So in my case, I'm the primary account holder. As I was playing with it, it worked out easy. I was able to bring up my music and it knew that it was playing it from Apple Music. So really good stuff. To get started with this, you're going to need your smart device. Open up the app, go to Skills and Games, look for the Apple Music skill, enable it, log into your account, and then it'll give you the option if you want it to be your default music. If you don't set it as your primary music source as you're setting up the skill, you can always go into Settings, select Music, scroll down to the bottom, and make it your default music. Really easy to set up. Now let's try bringing some stuff up. Let's start off with a playlist. I'm going to redeem myself because some people think I don't like this band, but I actually have a playlist of this band. So let's try it. Computer, play Beatles playlist.
Beatles from Apple Music.
Computer, next song. Computer, next song. Computer, next song. Computer, pause. Nice, went right to my playlist. Now I'm plowing through the songs there because I don't want any copyright issues by playing a song too long. I just want to use it to demonstrate. Now let's try bringing up a playlist across the group of speakers. Computer, play playlist Relaxing on Office Group.
Relaxing from Apple Music.
We're playing here on the dot. I have another Echo right here that's playing. And back there it's playing. So groups work. Now let's try bringing up a song. Computer, play Feel It Still on the Office Group.
Feel It Still by Portugal the Man from Apple Music.
Computer, pause. I love it. I love that it's working. It's great. Let's try bringing up a station. One of Apple's popular station is Beats One. Computer, play Beats One.
Beats One from Apple Music.
Before I'm judged by 12, put a 12.
Let's just ask for a genre of music and we'll see if we can find out what's playing. Computer, play rock music.
Playing rock music from Apple Music.
Computer, who is this?
This is April in Houston on Barclays on Fire by SWMRS.
Fire and I'm stuck
Computer,
here at the
pause.
state.
Told us what the artist is. Computer, who's this?
This is Bound for the Floor on As Good as Dead by Local H.
Computer, next song? Computer, what song is this?
This is No One Knows on Songs for the Deaf by Queens of the Stone Age.
Now let's try setting an alarm to a playlist. I have a mix called A Mix. Computer, wake me up at 7 a.m. to playlist A Mix.
Alarm set for 7 a.m. tomorrow to A-Mix on Apple Music.
It's gonna wake me up to my music. Computer, cancel alarm.
7 a.m. alarm canceled.
Just in case someone's using the same wake word. I don't want you to get woken up tomorrow at 7 a.m. That's a little look at Apple Music. I like this one. I'm excited for it. I think there's going to be a lot of people that are happy with it. I like that my music that's here, that's on my iPad, that's in my house, on my Apple TV and everywhere else, now is going to be on my Echo devices. This would be one of the few things that was missing for me. This is good stuff here. I do look forward to being able to add family members to it. I look forward to being able to listen to some music and adding it to playlist. Hopefully that stuff will come out soon. Let me know your thoughts on this. Are you going to be using Apple Music now that it's out and you've seen it working? Let me know in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't, consider subscribing and click that bell to be notified of the next video. If you'd like to help support the channel, check out the Amazon links in the description. If you use them, Amazon will kick us back a little. Also, there's links in there for the merchandise store. Thank you for watching this and have a great day. Bye.